And we're back at Rittenhousetown again, and we're going to try this trail. It goes straight up the hill here. It's up on like a 30-degree angle, 9% grade upwards. And I got Angelo, my doggy boy, here. And it's probably the end of the last heat wave for the summer, hopefully. July 29th, 2010. We had 6 heat waves come through this area, Philadelphia, PA. Killed one of my friends. People succumb to the heat out here. So I'm just out in the coolest place possible, Fairmount Park or Wissahickon Valley Park. And just taking a good tour of the mountain bike country out here, horse country out here in Fairmount Park, PA. This is Rittenhousetown. This is the area between Wissahickon Avenue, I guess, in North Philadelphia to Lincoln Drive. They restored it real nicely here. There's a lot of vacant houses, and there's a lot of houses here that are just under construction and renovation. Some people live in them. Historic Rittenhousetown Visitor Center. I didn't even know it was here. That's pretty cool. Well, I'll go in there next time. Meanwhile, we'll just follow the bike path up here and get a good view of Rittenhousetown from here. That's where the Battle of Germantown was played out in Philadelphia before the Patriots retreated. And watch out, Angelo, it's a hell of a drop in there. This big wall here, if you went over this with your bike, you'd have to be laid up for a little while. This is the Historic Visitor Center. Pretty cool. It's an asphalt road here. The other was packed gravel. It's a nice asphalt road all the way up here. Rittenhouse admission fees. Historic Rittenhouse. They don't usually have that. Members free. $3 to $5. Yeah. It's all mountain bike country up here. And there's a paved road, but it is uphill, you know. There's the valley. I need to see this one more time. I don't have these 5K races anymore every place around here. We're down here. Way down here, P11, that's Kitchen Lane. And let's see. That's on the other side. Yeah, we're just off on the corner here. Oh, there's other places to get in. Just around that. Angelo, where's he at? Okay, good boy. Yeah. It's all kind of related there. Roxborough, got their Walnut Lane. There's no trail there. Jeanette Street, Gorgas Lane. That's one I wanted to see. Levincy, Livesey Lane, and Saw Farm. The only one I didn't see so far was the Gorgas Lane Trail. I gotta see that. What's that called? Around P10. It don't have a designation. One's for mountain bikes, Leverington. It goes straight to the Wissahickon. Yeah, that's your Manayunk area, I guess. Manayunk. And up here you got your Wiggard House where we were at yesterday. Videoed that. And that's the actual park house and scout house and outward bound program right on the edge of the district offices in the Saw Farm. Summit Avenue will go down in Roxborough. Looks like Old Line Road will go down. I normally go down around Bell's Mill. We have these other places up here. Let's see. Chestnut Hill Academy, of course. And Gatehouse Lane, that'll be one we'll do. And Wayne Avenue, Mount Airy Avenue goes down there apparently. You'll check it all out. We're going to get it all. Kitchen Lane. And that's where we're going now. All right, straight to Wissahickon Avenue. And we're here. So apparently this thing will curve around up there. It's a bike road. And we go right up to Mount Airy. Looks good. We'll do it. We'll do it all as a matter of time. Called a vital fiber in American history. Let's get it going. Quite a ways up there, I know. I'll give you feedback in a few minutes.